At a junction, Thomas buffered up to Whiff again. Whiff was puffing slowly. The train was heavy.
Puff your hardest, Whiff!
Puffing hard, Thomas!
Gordon wheezed by grandly.
Thundering tracks! Your stinky, smelly engines!
Thomas gasped.
Fizzling fireboxes! Now Gordon thinks I'm smelly. I must find another track to leave this stinky garbage train.
At the next junction, the left track went by the sea.
I'll take the track by the sea. Then I won't be so smelly.
So, once again, Thomas left Whiff to steam on alone with the heavy garbage train. And Thomas huffed happily along the track by the sea.
Hooray! I'm not a stinky, smelly engine anymore. The Duchess will be pleased.
At the next junction, Thomas buffered up to Whiff once more. Whiff was tired and puffing slowly. The garbage train was very heavy. Whiff didn't know that Thomas had been away. Emily whooshed by.
Phew-wee, Thomas! You're a stinky engine!
Thomas gasped.
Trembling tracks! I mustn't be a stinky engine for the Duchess.
Thomas was even more worried. At the next junction, the right track went past the bakery. Thomas made a decision.
I will puff past the bakery. Then I won't be a stinky engine, and the Duchess will still want me to take her to tea with Lady Hatt.
Thomas chuffed cheerfully along.
Now I smell sweet again, but I mustn't be late for the Duchess. I'll have to huff my hardest to get to Wellsworth Station on time.
But Thomas was late for the Duchess. He whooshed like the wind into Wellsworth Station. Whiff was there. Whiff was too tired to puff on. Thomas didn't see Whiff until it was too late.
Cinders and ashes!
He crashed and he bashed straight into the back of Whiff's garbage train. The garbage cars clattered and battered right off the rails. Stinky garbage and oily old engine parts toppled and tumbled over the tracks. Luckily, no one was hurt.